So let's just talk about mapDispatchToProps in React Redux. So this is a function, and this function will map the dispatch to the prop of one React component. So this function will take the dispatch as a parameter, and then it will return one object containing multiple actions. So here we can define multiple actions, and those actions can dispatch different type of actions. So this way we can define multiple actions. So all of these returned actions will be passed to the React component as a prop. So here you can see we have one simple counter app, and we are using this useDispatch to dispatch the increment, decrement and the reset. Now instead of using this useDispatch, we can use the mapDispatchToProp. So down here we can define mapDispatchToProps, and this will take the dispatch as a parameter, and from here we are going to return multiple actions. So here we're going to return the increment, and this will dispatch the action with the type increment. Similarly, we're going to dispatch the decrement and the reset. Now to pass these actions to the app component as a prop, we need to connect this with our app component. So here we have the connect. So here as a second argument, we're going to pass matchDispatchToProps. And now we can access all of these actions using the prop of the app component. Now we do not need to use the useDispatch instead. So here we can directly write props.increment, and to dispatch the decrement we have to use props.decrement, and to reset we need to use props.reset. So here our counter is working properly, so we can increment the count, we can decrement the count, and also we can reset the count. But now instead of using the useDispatch, we are dispatching all the actions through the mapDispatchToProps function, which is passing all of those actions as a prop to our component. So hope you understand about mapDispatchToProps in React Redux. So see you in the next one. Take care.